Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Ishikawa, Japan.
Ishikawa? That sounds elegant and beautiful.
Yes, Ishikawa is famous for Kanazawa, beautiful gardens, traditional streets, seafood, crafts, hot springs, and the Noto coastline.
Haha, that is a lot to enjoy in one trip.
Great. Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a graceful day in Ishikawa.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Kanazawa in Ishikawa.
Thanks, Emily. The station entrance looks amazing.
Yes, Kanazawa Station has a famous gate with a strong design.
It feels modern and traditional at the same time.
Good sentence. It feels modern and traditional at the same time.
It feels modern and traditional at the same time.
You can also say, this design is impressive.
This design is impressive.
Impressive means it gives you a strong feeling.
This design is impressive.
Are you ready to explore Ishikawa?
Yes, I am ready to explore Ishikawa.
Great. Let's start with a beautiful garden. Now, we are walking in Kenrokuen Garden.
This garden is peaceful and beautiful.
Kenrokuen is one of the most famous gardens in Japan.
How can I describe this place?
You can say, the garden is peaceful.
The garden is peaceful.
Peaceful means quiet, calm, and relaxing.
The garden is peaceful.
You can also say, the pond reflects the trees.
The pond reflects the trees.
Reflect means to show an image on water or glass.
Haha, even my quiet voice sounds too loud here.
That is because the garden feels so calm.
The garden is peaceful and elegant.
Next, let's visit Kanazawa Castle.
The castle looks clean and elegant.
Yes, the white walls and stone walls are beautiful.
How can I describe the castle?
You can say, the castle looks elegant.
The castle looks elegant.
Elegant means beautiful in a refined way.
The castle looks elegant.
You can also say, the stone walls look strong.
The stone walls look strong.
Good. Strong is simple and useful.
Kanazawa Castle feels historic and graceful.
That is a beautiful sentence. Now, let's explore Higashi Chaya District.
This street feels old and beautiful.
Yes, this area has traditional wooden buildings.
How can I describe the atmosphere?
You can say, this street has a traditional atmosphere.
This street has a traditional atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place.
This street has a traditional atmosphere.
You can also say, I feel like I stepped into the past.
I feel like I stepped into the past.
That sounds natural and poetic.
Haha, I should walk slowly here. not like a busy tourist.
Exactly. Slow walking is perfect here.
This street has a traditional and graceful atmosphere. Emily, I am getting hungry.
Then we should visit Omicho Market.
There is so much fresh seafood.
Yes, Ishikawa is famous for seafood.
How can I order seafood politely?
You can say, I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
This fish looks fresh.
Fresh means newly prepared or not old.
The seafood looks fresh and delicious.
You can also try Noto, a famous fish in this area.
No doguro sounds special.
Yes, it has a rich flavor.
Haha, my English improves when food is involved.
Ishikawa is also famous for traditional crafts.
What kind of crafts can we see here?
We can see Kaga Yuzen, gold leaf, lacquerware, and many beautiful handmade items.
This kimono design is beautiful.
Good sentence. This kimono design is beautiful.
This kimono design is beautiful.
You can also say, this craft is delicate.
This craft is delicate.
Delicate means fine, careful, and detailed.
This craft is delicate.
Traditional crafts help us understand local culture.
I want to learn more about local culture.
That is a very useful travel sentence.
I want to learn more about local culture.
Now, let's relax at Wakura Onsen.
A hot spring by the sea sounds wonderful.
Yes, the sea view makes the hot spring feel special.
How can I say I want to relax?
You can say, I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
Good. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
You can also say, the sea view is calming.
The sea view is calming.
Calming means it makes you feel peaceful.
Haha, I may not want to leave this place.
I understand. This place feels relaxing. Next, let's see Shiroyone Senmaida.
The rice terraces are beautiful.
Yes, the fields and the sea create a special view.
How can I describe this view?
You can say, the view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and amazing.
The view is breathtaking.
You can also say, the terraces follow the shape of the land.
The terraces follow the shape of the land.
That sentence is a little longer, but very useful.
The terraces and the sea look peaceful together.
Beautifully said. The Noto coastline is another beautiful part of Ishikawa.
The sea looks powerful and calm at the same time.
Good sentence. The sea looks powerful and calm at the same time.
The sea looks powerful and calm at the same time.
You can say, the coastline is dramatic.
The coastline is dramatic.
Dramatic means strong, beautiful, and impressive.
The coastline is dramatic.
You can also say, I want to take a deep breath here.
I want to take a deep breath here.
That sounds natural for a beautiful outdoor place.
Ishikawa has so many quiet and powerful views.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore Ishikawa.
I am ready to explore Ishikawa.
Number 2. The garden is peaceful.
The garden is peaceful.
Number 3. The castle looks elegant.
The castle looks elegant.
Number 4. This street has a traditional atmosphere.
This street has a traditional atmosphere.
Number 5. I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
Number 6. This craft is delicate.
This craft is delicate.
Number 7. I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
Number 8. The view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I am ready to explore Ishikawa.
I am ready to explore Ishikawa.
The garden is peaceful.
The garden is peaceful.
The castle looks elegant.
The castle looks elegant.
This street has a traditional atmosphere.
This street has a traditional atmosphere.
I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
I'd like a seafood bowl, please.
This craft is delicate.
This craft is delicate.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
I want to relax in the hot spring.
The view is breathtaking.
The view is breathtaking.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Haha. Little by little, we are becoming better travelers.
Today, we visited Ishikawa and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Kanazawa Station, Kenrokuen Garden, Kanazawa Castle, Higashi Chaya District, seafood, crafts, hot springs, and the Noto coastline.
Ishikawa was elegant, peaceful, delicious, artistic, and full of beautiful views.
I really enjoyed the garden, the traditional streets, the seafood, and the sea.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Toyama, Fukui, Kyoto, Nagano, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.